Oh, nice work. Don't make her mad.
Historically, cleavers were brutish tools designed to hack through meat and bones with a single cut. Traditional meat cleavers relied more on blunt force than razor-like precision.
These days, most professional butchers don't use cleavers. Handsaws or bandsaws get the job done cleaner and quicker.
So we don't consider them an absolutely essential addition to your kitchen, but for certain tasks, they are awesome. Things like dealing with whole butternut squash, hacking up whole chickens, or cutting through bone for stocks and broths.
So with those kinds of tasks in mind, we looked at 13 cleavers. They're priced from roughly $10 to $180. We rated them in 3 areas: ease of use, design, and durability.
Here are the highlights. So we are going to cut up a bunch of ducks to look at how easy these cleavers are to use. But before we get into that, we want to talk a little bit about the technique you need to hold and use a cleaver.
One thing you want to do is hold it and grasp it as if you're going to shake hands. You're going to just raise it up and just let it drop onto the food. You don't have to hack, you don't have to use your muscles, it's great. Just let it ride down, boom, like that. All right, here we go. Wow, off of one.
Beautiful cut.
Yeah, it was super easy. It just drops right down. So this one by Mercer, it's a little heavy. It's a little harder to control because it is so heavy. It gets tiring. It's quite blunt, although it has a little bit of sharp edge, but a little bit of a blunt feel to it. It doesn't just slice right through. You've got to really, push and finish the strokes. Nice. Wow. Large and in charge.
Large and in charge.
Nice. You made quick work of that.
Right through the bone.
How's your hand feeling? How's your arm?
It's tired. I'm not gonna lie. My hand is tired. Yeah, I actually feel it even up in my biceps, which probably speaks more to how out of shape I am, but this is definitely a heavy knife. So I've got the Victorinox here. This is a Chinese style blade, so it's definitely lighter. Take a feel of that.
Oh wow. Yeah, this is much, much lighter.
I gotta say with this one, so it's a little lighter. The weight of the blade isn't giving me much help. Like I really need to do the motion and do it as hard as I can.
Okay, here we go. Came off with 3 hacks. I'm putting a lot of effort into it, and it's really not it's not helping me, and I can't push through that, so I'm gonna have to try again, and it's gonna hack into a slightly different place and didn't go all the way through. Yeah, this is too much work.
It's not as heavy as the first ones we tried, but it's not as light as the other ones.
Yeah, it feels pretty good. It's actually
mid-weight.
Feels kind of balanced. Okay. Nice. It's sharp.
Wow, that got through.
Wow, that's
one cut.
Best one yet.
I'm feeling this weight here, the mid-weight. It's sort of a nice balance between, I feel like I've got some muscle behind me, but I'm not tired. The weight of the cleavers was the biggest factor in this round.
We found that the heavier Western-style cleavers were a bit overkill for some of the tasks we were trying to do. But the lighter cleavers actually took more effort. The medium-weight cleavers were ideal.
All right, let's go on to our next round, design.
Here we go. Oh my.
This blade is so wide. It's really
I can hear the swashing.
hard. It's not getting in there. Look how thick that is.
Yeah, it goes up into a kind of a rounded point. Ha! That feels so good when you get it. This is awesome. The handle is super comfortable and it really stays where you hold it. And really, as I've shifted my grip a little bit, it really lets me do that. It's heavy.
I can see it wedging through. See that motion? Like it didn't slice. It was kind of cutting and wedging its fat body through there. The interesting thing, so I have smaller hands. This handle is a bit bulky for me. Like it has these bumps on it that are supposed to help you and tell you where to put your fingers, but unless you have the exact hand that this is designed for, it's not the most comfortable.
So how does that feel?
Wow, really sharp. The blade feels really sharp. And then the handle, I like it. It's simple, there's no ergonomic bumps. There's nothing stopping me from pinching the blade if I want to. Simple is better with a handle.
Wow.
Wow, this,
Beautiful.
that is easy.
Okay, interesting feeling here. It's very skinny in through here. And although my hand is kind of small, it feels a little bit like I'm wrapping my hand around it twice.
There, I can see
it. It's a little odd feeling, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so I'm gonna try to, that took a lot of effort.
Generally, we like cleavers with longer handles and thinner blades.
Now on to our final round, durability.
All right, so we are gonna do a durability test now by hacking up a bunch of raw chicken.
Nice. Haha, clean.
Beautiful.
Power. This cuts pretty well. I hate to say it, but I feel a little bit of a wiggle in this handle. It's where the rivets are.
I will say though, something we noticed in regular testing, can you guys hear that? The blade is loose in there. Not feel very sharp. The other thing that happened, check out the handle cracked right there.
There we go. Not bad. But, you know, overall, it didn't go through as effortlessly, but it did pretty well.
You just beat it to death.
I know. All right. This actually is exactly what we found throughout testing. This blade got a little bit duller all the time. It didn't start out all that sharp, and it kind of kept going in that direction. Still cutting
Oh my God, wow.
really well right to the end of testing.
Yeah, that's impressive. We've cut through a lot with this thing, and that is going through like butter still.
Really nice clean edges. Look at that.
Wow.
It's just,
While Western style blades were more durable, we loved the precision of the thinner Chinese style blades. Our winner presented a happy medium between the two. Lisa?
our overall winner is the Shun Classic Meat Cleaver. It's priced at about $130, but you'll never need to buy another cleaver.
For a more affordable option, we also like the Lamson Products 7 1/4 inch walnut handled meat cleaver. Priced at about $60, it chopped just as well as our winner, but was slightly less durable.
For more info on our winner and all the other cleavers we tested, check out the links below.
Leave us your cleaver questions in the comments and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.